Hello friends, now we are analyzing Tata Elxsi Limited, which stock is fundamentally and technically both way it is good. You can invest in this. Stock is with high value and PE ratio also high, but this looks fundamentally and technically for investment. This stock is good. So let us start. We can see here. Uh, Tata Elxsi is amongst the world's leading provider of design and technology services across industries including automotive, media, communications and healthcare. Tata Elxsi provides integrated services from research and strategy to electronics and mechanical design, software development, validation and deployment, and is supported by a network designs studios, global development centers and offices worldwide. So it has branches in worldwide. Key point geographical presence. The company is present across the worldwide Europe accounting for majority of revenues at 36.5%, followed by Americas 36%, India 13%, and rest of the world contributing to rest 14.5% of revenue. So most probably we'll get the profit for this company from outside of the countries. Embedded product and design 88% of revenues, industrial design and visualization 9% of revenues, system integration and support 2% of revenues. Revenue by industry, presently broadcast and communication industry accounts for majority revenues with 44% revenue, followed by transportation industry 41%, healthcare and medical devices 10%, and others 4%. So let us come to the fundamental analysis. Market cap 34,194 crore, current price 5491, high trading 5600, low trading 1161. Stock P 82.9, which is very expensive, book value 217, and it is trading in very high price, which is not that good. Dividend 0.44%, face value 10, ROE 29.9%, ROC 48%, PEG ratio 4.4, which is very high. It should not be that much. We can see here P ratio high, as we know. Sales margin 558.32, GPM 92.89, OPM 26.86, NPM 20.31. So we can see price is good, it is increasing only. Now it is high, uh 5490.65. So pros and cons. The pros: company is almost debt free, there is no debt. Company has good return on equity, ROE is good, track record 3 years, ROE 29.69%. So ROE is good. Company has maintaining the healthy dividend payout ratio. They are maintaining healthy dividend payout, that is 50.11%. Cons, we can see here stock travel trading 25.29%, which is not good. The company has delivered poor sales growth 11.18% last 5 years. The sales growth is less. Peer comparison, we can compare with Emphasis, L&T, Oracle, Finsive. Uh, Here we can see the quarterly results in rupees in crores. Sales, you can see here 403, it is in increasing way. You can see December 2020 477 crores, March 518 crores, June 558 crores. The sales is high, increasing. So we can see our net profit 115 and 113. So this is also not much difference, but it is in grow way only. Earning price in shares 18.49 and 18.21. Profit and loss account, we can see net profit 413, that is a TTM trailing 12 months, for a 368 last year, that is March 2021 316, and TTM 413. Earning per share 59.11 and 66, TTM 66.26, which is good. Dividend payout, it is 81%, which is very high, good. Component sales growth, TTM 20%, 10 years 16, 5 years 11, 3 years 10%, and TTM 20%, which is good. Component profit growth 10 years 28%, 5 years 19%, 3 years 15%, TTM 49%. Stock price CAGR 1 year 331%. Return on equity last year 30%, which is very good. Balance sheet total asset 1717 crores. Cash flow it is 175 and minus 120, it is negative. Ratios ROC 40%. Shareholding pattern promoters 44.53, FIIs 11.81, DIIs you can see here 5.77, public 37.89. So fundamentally the stock is very strong. We can see technically will change here. Tata. Tata Elxsi I kept for this 1 month. If we see the 1 month, I applied average moving RSI and MACD. If we see as per 1 month, it is in upward direction, so we can invest. We will apply for 15 minutes. Let's see how it will come. If 15 minutes also the price is in upward trend, upward directions. We can see for 1 week. Uh, 1 week also it is showing. I have you can see a blue line. It is a moving average. It is upward direction. RSI 85.63. MACD also it is in upward direction. So technically it is looking good. So here you can see stock trading at 5490.65. Key status volume 577.393k, average volume 10 to 31.006k, market capitalization 320.842 billion. So dividend till 0.47. So now you can see here earnings. Date 14 October 20, actual 12.70, estimated means estimated 11.50, surprise 1.20 gain. So it is in gain. You can see here every year it is surprisingly gaining. So you can see the technically how strong it is. Date 12 Jan 21, actual 16.90, estimated 14.20, surprise 2.70 gain. This is also surprisingly in positive only. This is in negative, that is 15 July. Now we have to see the next result how it will come. So here also you can see profit 17.32, and 2020 we can see profit margin 20.16, which is good. We can see here 1 year performance 331.80 18%, and 6 month performance 98.60%, up to date on 119.17%, 3 month 50.84%, 1 month 16.27%, and 1 week 11.40%. If you see the growth level is very high, and if you see this technically, it is a strong sell, neutral buy. You can see this line here is strongly buy. So as overall we are seeing fundamentally and technically this stock is very strong, so we can invest. The stock price is high, but it is a confidence share. We can invest just like a IRCTC, how it is a confidently people are investing, investors are investing, like we can invest in this also because it is a strong stock. Please guys, if you have any doubt or queries, you can keep your message in comment box, or if you want any other stock analysis, please message me in comment box. I'll try to make it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot, and please share, subscribe the channel so it will helpful for me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.